Meaning of FRS.
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 FRS. FRS can stand for different things depending on the context. It could refer to the Financial Reporting Standard, a set of accounting rules in the UK, or the Federal Reserve System, the central banking system of the United States. Another possible meaning is the fast recovery syndrome, a phenomenon in computer networking. Nonetheless, without more information, it's difficult to determine the exact meaning. Therefore, the context and the industry or subject matter must be considered to provide an accurate explanation of what FRS means.